Hey everyone, today I'm going to share a tutorial for this look. I tried to make like a cute look, a little bit creepy. It's all done with makeup for the most part and then some fake blood in the lenses. I didn't even use any paint, so this is very easily doable for Halloween, so let me know if you recreate it. Don't forget to like this video if you already like this look, and yeah, subscribe to my channel for more, but now I will show you the tutorial for this look. So yeah, this is the finished look. I can't really see all the details at the moment because of the bright lights, but I think it looks cute as far as I can tell. The lenses are super cool, by the way. They're from Colorful Eye. You can find them at www.colorfuleye.com, and you can use my code cruelty-free, I think, for 15% off, either 15 or 10, but I think 15. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. If there are any questions, please drop them down in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it, subscribe for more of my tutorials and content. And yeah, I'll catch you all on the flip side.